Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode in Chrome step by step. Too much brightness burning your eyes at night, so let's switch Chrome to dark mode in just a few quick steps. It's easy, looks sleek, and save battery too. So for Windows users, you can just right click on your desktop in here, and then go to personalize, choose colors, and here you can just scroll down and choose your dark mode. This one, make sure that it's dark, and Chrome will follow the system automatically, but it's already dark actually. So let's just go to Chrome back again. You can also use the dark mode on the Chrome only via Chrome by going to the themes options, or you can just click on this customize Chrome options at the bottom right corner, and you'll see there's the options light, dark, or follow the system settings. So let's just go to dark, and just like that, now your Chrome will be in the dark mode. And you can close this, and that's it. Chrome is now in dark mode. If you like this quick guide, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more easy tutorials. Bye.